So welcome to our video demonstration of quick clear windscreens. The Ford Focus on the left hand side has a heated front screen. The Astra on the right hand side does not. So what we're going to do in a moment is my colleague will start the engine of the Ford and turn the heated screen on and then scrape the screen of the Astra, and we'll see which one is fastest. Okay, so the heated screen is now on the Focus. We won't touch that car now, we'll leave it exactly as it is. But move over to the Astra and start scraping the screen as you would on a regular morning, and we'll see which one is quickest. You may be able to see on the video that the Ford Focus already has a line either side of the windscreen where it is starting to clear. I can see up in the top left hand corner of the screen it's beginning to clear, in fact, and of course the Astra will take that bit longer. Even once it is clear, you're then probably going to have a few little bits of ice left that need clearing with the engine running. And you can really see now that the Ford is almost clear, certainly at least a good halfway down. If you were to put the wipers on, in fact now it probably would be clear. And as my colleague moves around to the second side, I think it's safe to say that the Focus has already cleared its screen. So as we can see, as we move into the Ford Focus, the screen is completely clear. It's just wet, so put the wiper on and that would sort that out straight away. And the Astra is not quite clear, as you can see.